Hello, I am Julianne. I am a teacher and tutor of the SAT. I'm here to help you master the reading and writing questions on the digital version of the exam. Let's get started. Testers are likely to encounter between 8 and 11 word choice questions on the exam. These tasks have a level of difficulty of 2 out of 10, with 10 being the most difficult. Word choice questions look like this. In the middle of the text, there's a blank. The question is above a list of single words. When answering word choice questions, work on correctness first. Then, as we get the right answers, work on correctness and quickness. Questions can be answered in as little as 20 seconds. The same wordy question will repeat throughout the exam. Skipping the question, then, will save you time. In this case, it's important to simply understand the goal of the task, which is to fill in the blank with the correct word. Constructing a process will help you save time. Understand the main idea, fill in the blank yourself, and then choose a synonym. This video illustrates the 3-step process. The first step is to read the text. While I am annotating in this video, I wouldn't suggest annotating on the test, as that would waste too much time. The second step is to generate a word that fits in the blank from your own vocabulary. In this example, I'm generating the word brainstorm. In the last step, we're going to be looking for a word on the list that is most closely related to brainstormed. So here we're going to compare brainstormed to A, to B, to C, and to D. Once we do that, we find that brainstorm is most closely related to explored. Explored, in this case, happens to be the right answer. Let's look a little bit more closely at this question. We don't need to process every aspect of this text to answer the question. The information that we need in this example is the team blanked ways to transform light into work. I used the team brainstormed ways, but you could choose researched, the team researched ways, or the team studied ways, or the team looked into ways. You can use a phrase here if one single word does not come to mind. When you're finding a synonym in that last step, you're also eliminating words that are not synonyms, and you're eliminating words that are off topic. So inculcated in meaning inside is not brainstorming or generating information. Diverted is not, subverted is not, explored is synonymous with brainstormed. With word choice questions, read the text, fill in the blank, find a synonym. Mastering these questions requires practice. Please consider seeing the Khan Academy is a great resource. Reading academic publications like Scientific American is my favorite right now, will absolutely help. Find more word choice questions on my worksheets on Teachers Pay Teachers and learn from Practice Test 1. Read my Kindle, Warrior Readers. Thanks to Darren Ulf for modeling correctness and clarity in his article, An Incredible New Crystal Can Transform Light into Mechanical Work. Feedback would be really helpful for me. Post a comment, throw me a like, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.